In this video, I will show you how to use AI to develop a professional pricing strategy and communication plan for your freelance business. Let's get started. I begin by opening my notes to copy a detailed prompt that sets the stage for our session. I'm asking ChatGPT to act as my personal pricing strategist, helping me design rates that are profitable, competitive, and easy for my clients to accept. Once I paste this into the chat, the AI generates a comprehensive framework. It breaks down market benchmarks for various roles, like general assistants and social media managers, providing a clear picture of where I stand in the industry. Next, the AI guides me through calculating a sustainable rate. I start with a target monthly income and subtract my estimated business expenses to see what I actually need to earn. It then helps me understand how to calculate my hourly rate based on realistic billable hours. We also explore different pricing models, including hourly, project-based, and monthly. Retainers, showing the pros and cons of each so I can choose the best fit for my workflow. Now, I want to get more specific to my actual experience. I'll copy a prompt describing my background as a social media manager with 2 years of experience. This allows the AI to provide a more tailored strategy, including suggested price points for starter, standard, and premium packages. It even shows me how many clients I would need at each level to reach my specific income goals. To get even more precise, I'm asking the AI to run the numbers for a target annual income of $60,000. It calculates a recommended hourly rate while factoring in a 25% buffer for taxes and business expenses. This gives me a confident number to use in negotiations. I also need to know how to communicate these rates effectively. I'm asking the AI for a step-by-step plan on how to raise my rates for an existing client. It provides a professional script and a transition plan that avoids sounding apologetic. This ensures the conversation remains focused on the value I deliver. I want to master value-based pricing. I'm asking for a simple explanation of how to charge based on business results rather than just my time. The AI generates several versions of a pricing section that I can use on my website or in client proposals, ranging from simple and transparent to highly consultative. Finally, I need to present these pricing options on my website or in a professional proposal. I copy one last prompt asking for 3 different versions of a pricing section. ChatGPT creates a simple and transparent version, a consultative version centered on discovery calls, and a value-focused version. Now I have a range of professional options to help me attract the right clients and scale my business. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider